Hindi ya gukunguira muthi wa andiki a mohoro, mohoti mao o undu umwe na matiroka mao, muikariri gite wa kanjo ya andiki a mohoro Charles Kerich ni oritie andiki a mohoro kuruta wira wao na uigirirki makiria ihinda-ini riri twerekeire githurano-ini kinene kia mweri wa 8.
As we head towards the election, we are ready to experience an avalanche of quacks, people who pass themselves for journalists, demanding and extorting money from candidates. We are telling people that there is a mechanism to weed these people out.
Kerich augite umwe wa mogwati maria mangetheire nyumba cia mohoro ni aria marahongwa mahuri gukorwo makiheana mahaki kuri andiki a mohoro niguo kuhoria kimuri kia amemerekia.
Many people have realized that the media commands a lot of respect. They then take advantage to misuse it and take advantage of people who don't know how to respond when somebody says, I am a journalist and I need you to give me money or else I will cover you negatively.
Murugamiriri wa bodi iria iramataga uthondeki wa thinema guku bururi-ini KFCB agikira uhoro uyu mukonde oritie andiki a mohoro kwiiga haraya na ciiko iria ingituma hinya wao hari kugarura maundu uguoyohio ona kana ugurike.
The media should be so powerful that if you take on a government official, you take on them on the basis of facts, not rumor, innuendo or propaganda. And you do so without fear or favor, to the extent that if it's a government official who is involved in corruption, they have to leave the office.
No more harassment!
Mabura ma muthenya uyu makoragwo mari ma gutia andiki a mohoro ona kana ahuri bica aria managurario mari wira-ini uyu, aria matete mioyo yao, aria maiyukitie iheo ni wira mwega na ningi ugakorwo uri wa kugathika mitaratara ya kurunga njira iria igonyokete. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, getwo Karo Kenyugo Mwaura.